Please connect the 380 voltage and then open the switch, power switch.
分体开关，fan
This is fan switch.
发热开关，
It is a heat switch. How to adjust the temperature? You can see
现在是
right now we should adjust to 150 degrees.
调到160，
We will adjust to 160 degrees. It's okay. This knob is used to adjust the speed of the conveyor. You can see.
发热开关，
If you want to close the machine, you should close the heater firstly.
然后这个过5到10分钟
After about 5 or 10 minutes,
是冷却以后，
and after the machine is cooling, you should
再关掉电源开关就可以。
open the power switch. If you want to change the lampos, you should open this and then take it. Yeah.